Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about pointer to union in C++ programming. Like structure, the union can also have pointers. Like an example, here we have one union variable t, and then we can create one pointer which can have the address of that variable t. This way the pointer can point to the variable t. So we can use the arrow operator and we can access the members of that variable t. So in this example program, first of all we are going to create one union called test, and it will have the integer member x. Now inside the main method I'm going to create one test type variable t, and then I'm going to use the dot operator and I'm going to assign the value 10 to the member x. Now I'm going to create one test type pointer p which will have the address of the variable t. Now we can use the pointer with the arrow operator and we can access the member of the variable t. So I'm gonna save this program and I'm gonna run the program, and you can see the output is 10. So this way we can create one pointer of the union which can have the address of the variable, and this way the pointer will point to the variable, and then we can use the arrow operator and we can access the members of that variable. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.